Hey, Bereta48, is that right? Bereta48 on YouTube. Here's your 15 seconds of fame. I decided I'd make me a little high-tech video. This here is my, well, that's the video I found on YouTube with a CS80, and then here is my video of a, oh shucks. Anyway, there's my video of my version of the same thing. And let's see, there's my Windows 7 Ultimate, and the computer that's being run with, which is brand new built right there. And anyway, as I had to search to try to figure out what the difference is between the two of them. Anyway, there's yours, the one that you're looking for. Here's my version. There's one of my favorites, and then there's my my Aiwa 950, which is similar to that one over there that just played. And there's my video again. And anyhow, just what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to transfer my information from the old Windows 98 computer to this computer right here, which is the one I just built with anyhow. But I got 2 minutes. Alright, so anyhow, that's, with all the stuff that I have, where would you put it all? I know people call this clutter, but this is what I do, is dicker with this tiny little laptop, and I'm trying to transition from the tiny little laptop to the big computer here, and trying to get everything off of this computer, which is on that computer there, back to the big computer. Does that make any sense? Anyway, okay, I got 2 minutes on here, high definition video. I'm gonna, oh, and here's the happy little email that I'm sending to you right now as I speak. So this is your 15 seconds of fame. Thanks, bye.